Hi everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. Today we're going to give you a room tour here at the Disneyland Hotel. The Disneyland Hotel is a 9-minute walk to the gates of Disneyland, or roughly 5/10 of a mile. It is rated number 37 out of 128 hotels in Anaheim. We did book a 2-queen room. When we checked in, I asked for a 2-queen room with a sofa sleeper, and we did get that, so we were really excited about that. That way both our kids had their own bed. The couch is really nice to have when you're not sleeping, and then it easily converts into a bed. We did not book the room type with the sofa sleeper. I just nicely asked when we checked in if that would be a possibility, and it was, so that was really awesome. So it's not always going to be guaranteed. The beds were super comfortable. We are recording this the next day because we got in really late last night and we were tired. So the beds were super comfortable. The pillows were really comfortable as well. One of our favorite aspects of this room is the awesome headboard. You guys have probably all seen it a million times in everyone else's video, but we love to keep it on all night long. It's just awesome to wake up and see that, and it's just a really nice touch in the room. Right when you walk in the entrance of the room, there's this really nice desk area and a mirror. There's 3 regular outlets, 2 USB-A's and 2 USB-C's in this right here, which makes it really convenient to charge all of your devices. This alarm clock has 2 USBs on the nightstand in between the beds. We always love rooms with extra seating. Having this chair here was great, and there's a plug right behind it so you could plug in your laptop and have a workspace here as well as the desk area. The rooms here at the Disneyland Resort all come with a mini fridge, no microwaves, just a mini fridge. So it's not the biggest mini fridge, but it works. There's a communal microwave in the lobby of each tower that you can use to warm up your food items. We really love all the little hidden Mickeys throughout the room. We'll show you a couple more as well. With the recent refresh they just did at the Disneyland Hotel, they added new platform beds, and they're pretty tall. But the great thing about it is you can fit even the big size suitcase underneath the bed, so you can get it out of your way when you're staying here. We did book the standard view because it was the cheapest view, and we were hoping we would get the side of the Fantasy Tower, and that's exactly what happened, because as you can see the very tippy top of Batu, and we had amazing views of the fireworks last night, and we're gonna pop in a little video and show you a little bit of that, but oh my gosh, it was perfect. So for paying the least amount of money, we got an awesome view, and we're really happy with that. Off to the right, when you first open the door, there's this really nice coffee bar area. There's an added mirror, lamps, and there's just a lot of extra space all around in this area. We've had a couple different room layouts in the Fantasy Tower, so this and the Frontierland Tower, so this is really nice to have this little area as well. We've had other layouts where the sink is outside from the toilet and the shower. This particular room, the sink is with the toilet and the shower, but there is this additional area outside of the bathroom. There's also a really nice closet area. It's got lots of hangers. The in-room safe is here, along with extra bedding, pillows, and blankets for the couch bed. And there was one luggage rack, only one luggage rack for the whole room. I always love it when hotels add a full-length mirror, and there is one here on the bathroom door. So there's 3 mirrors outside of the bathroom that you can get ready in the mornings. So this bathroom is pretty spacious. There's a whole separate area for the toilet. I do wish the sink area was slightly bigger. It was a little tight to fit all of our toiletries on there, but it wasn't too bad. We loved all the little hidden Mickey touches, the Mickey hands on the lamp, the faucet handles, and there's also a hidden Mickey in the shower that we can show you as well. It is nice to have this little shelf as well to put some added items up there. It's just we wish that it was a little tad bit bigger for our toiletries. The bathroom has a tub shower combination. We realize it is very expensive to stay here. This was a total splurge for us. We normally don't stay at the Disneyland Resort hotels just because of the expense. But since it was a special occasion for our 20th wedding anniversary, we did splurge for one night. We had a great time. We're really looking forward to going and checking out the pool today, and we'll show you a little bit of that as well. Please look for, in the future, our experience video here at the Disneyland Hotel. We can't wait to share that with you as well. And thank you so much for watching.